Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know we haven't posted in a while, but if you stick around till the end of the video, I'll let you guys know what's been going on. But today in this video, we're going to be covering resupply kits or kick kits. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'll explain to you guys a little bit about what a kick kit is, or a resupply kit, which, I mean, that's a little more descriptive than a kick kit, but basically the kit is going to include any type of consumable piece of equipment that you may need in the field. They'll be able to be carried in vehicles, or the idea behind the kick kit is in the military they use them to literally be kicked out of a helicopter. That's where the name kick kit comes from. But obviously if you don't have the capabilities or the equipment such as a helicopter, you're obviously not going to be kicking them out of a helicopter. So these kits, I'll get into mine here that I built to show you guys what's in mine, give you kind of an idea. On some of the stuff is filler items, because I don't necessarily have some of the equipment that I'd like to have in there. Some stuff I'm going to have to go pick up and get, and then I will kind of do a little more in-depth video on larger kick kits, or even building them for a group focused kit entirely, a whole resupply for a 4-man, 5-man team, where it can be one big cache of resupply for anything you need, because, well, small militias don't have logistics like the military, so we have to make bridges in those gaps. But I'll break into this, show you guys what's in here. I'll give you an idea of how to maybe build yours, or just spark some ideas. So I'm using a it's a signal flare can, but there's no signal flares in here. So one of the things I like, first thing in the top of here, I had a fresh pair of socks, because well, wet feet, cold feet suck, so I got a pair of socks. Then another consumable that I use specifically for me in my ruck, which is going to be a lot of this equipment is going to be specific to what you need. So I got a gas bottle in here for my gas stove. This is basically my lifeline. I cook my food with this. I can heat and warm my hands with this. I boil, purify water. There's a lot of things that I need this for. This is important. Then it's cold here. It's nice to have something to cover up your face if it's windy or it's dusty. So that's kind of an all year round nice thing to have. Then I got batteries. Now these batteries allow me to power both my weapon lights, my laser, and then also my handheld flashlight. And I also need to get some AAAs for my headlamp. But batteries. And in here I got 2 boxes of 5.56 on stripper clips for easy loading. Then I also got, I'll pull them out here for you guys. One second. I got some good matches. If you live somewhere where it's cold, you're going to want good matches. Otherwise, well, you might be left somewhere freezing your ass off and might lose a few fingers and some toes. So fire's pretty important in the cold environment. And this kick kit can change depending on the time of year and your weather conditions, because everybody's mileage may vary in that department. So critique this kit to your liking. And then I got 100 feet of paracord. It's kind of a nice thing to have. You can pretty much do anything with it. You can build shelter, lash things to your bag. I mean, it's just a great tool to have. So basically that's it for my kit at this time. I'll put some of the stuff down in the comments, or not in the comments, but in the description below, for some of the things I'd alter in this anyway. But like the socks, like I wouldn't just put these basic socks in here. I'd put some nice merino wool or wool socks in general. I like the darn tough socks. Those are probably the best socks you could put in there. Those will keep your feet nice and warm. And maybe even a stocking cap, or putting a bigger can, because this stuff barely fits in there, which is perfect. It doesn't rattle around and shake, which is nice. And also more rounds. This is only 60 rounds. I got 2 mags right here. So it is nice to have a few more rounds, but if you're not expecting a lot of contact and expending high volumes of ammunition, you don't need to put a lot in there. And that kind of goes for your support guys that are running around slinging a lot of lead. Their kits are going to look a million times different than everybody else's. They're going to have a lot more bullets, and they're probably going to have a lot more oil to keep those guns up and running. They're dirty. But yeah, that's all I got in this kit. So I'll tell you a little bit about why we've been gone, but it's just been extremely busy, and we haven't had too much time. So I thought, well, I have something simple here to get back out to you guys that will spark some ideas. Maybe you guys can put something down in the comments about what you'd like to see, because we really would love some video ideas. Now that winter's coming, we got quite a few we can work on. Just got to find time to do it. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.